Good morning, everyone. It's Rosie's day, although this is going to be a quick visit today. Although I do have a couple of jobs. One, I've brought the remaining Taunton Dean that's rooted at home because the freezing weather's finished. Well, for the moment, I'm going to bring it here, and it'll be fine in the earth compost. Yeah. So, but I do have news. More on that in a bit. I'm just checking if there's anyone here. I can see a car in the distance. So I'm judging whether or not I can let Rosie off the lead for a little bit. I'm going to give it a go. I'll be back in a tick. Right, straight. Rosie, come. Rosie, off. Straight. Good girl. Well, she knows her own plot. This is great. Come on, this one. There's no one around near me. There is someone, I think they're right in the distance. She might spot a ball in a minute. So, the few jobs I have are to put the wildlife camera back, put some cat food down, just to help attract them, because I haven't found it. It's been up for the last 4 days. And I'm not sure if the wind triggers it, because it's been triggered, but there's nothing to see. Oh, big news. We're moving house. Woo! We're basically moving to a bigger house because we've outgrown our current one. For people who know about Valerie, don't worry. I'm going to still take her shopping with me, because I'll be dropping Jim off for his school, and then I'll go and get her, and we'll go shopping as usual to Lidl. And also she'll get a roast dinner once a week. She just will get it the next day, and she just has to heat it in the oven, which is all good. It just won't be hot on the day, which is fine. She would reheat it. Yeah, it's a huge garden. Oh, honestly, I will show you it as soon as we're in. We're actually literally moving this week on Friday, so there might not be many vlogs this week. It has a vegetable plot at the bottom, which I'm going to look forward to doing, and having a segment of the home garden on this channel, and even including, I'll get another wildlife camera actually, because it looks out onto fields. And in regards to cooking, the kitchen, it's lovely. It's really lovely. It's huge, but it's not massive in the way of kitchens, but compared to my old kitchen, my current kitchen, it's huge, and it has probably double the amount of sockets, which, when if you use air fryers and whatnot, that really matters, as well as your toaster and your microwave and all that kind of stuff. So I have been packing, but it's got a garage, it's got space for my Austin car, my Princess, to come and live with us rather than in a rental garage. So that's kind of saving on a cost there, because it is more money than our current place. But yeah, it's all good. Rosie's currently eating grass, so that's something I'm looking forward to sharing with you. Come the time when we do move. Yeah. And the brilliant thing is, I've got the allotment to come to while I wait for Jim to finish school, because there is going to be this to and fro in slightly, because it's slightly out in the sticks, just outside Colchester. But we know the area well, and it's quite a quick trip into this area that we're currently living, and where the Jim goes to school. Jack's at college, so he'll have a buses to catch and stuff, but he's all happy to do that. And they've got a huge garden to play football on, which is fantastic, because postage stamp is our current garden. And they get a bedroom for themselves, basically, because this is the thing, we're in a current 2-bedroom with a 13-year-old and a 16-year-old, and they need their own bedroom. The good thing is, there are plus points like huge garden, much lovely, nicer kitchen, not in the 80s. A lot more sockets in everywhere. The current house, like one of the bedrooms upstairs only had one double socket, and when you've got an Xbox, telly, a lamp, your charger for your phone, well, that's 4 already. What else has he got? I mean, his laptop, to charge his laptop, you know, you constantly, so he's got an extension, and it's, electrically wise, it's not really safe to have extension leads all over the place. So, enough about that. Let's have a quick look round, because Rosie's quite happy on the plot, which is brilliant. I do actually have brought an extra long lead that I thought in case I needed it for when I do jobs, just so that she's under some sort of control. So we're going to try that now. I'm just going to attach it to this my stake. And I might actually take a stake for the new garden, because she's going to need to get used to that. Oh, let's get it attached. Hold up. I might have to put you down for this. I think I've done this the wrong way around. Bear with. She'll spot a ball in a minute, I reckon. Right, let's do this again. Okay. Come here, Rosie. Come here, Rosie. Come here, there's a good girl. Let's see. That's a good girl. Right, let's put the... Still frozen, the pond. That's interesting. It's a lot longer lead. I know. You want to run around? I know, you will. Right, let's crack on with our jobs, and then I can let her off lead, because I can concentrate on where she is. Right, let's get in the shed. See you in the shed. Just turning the seedlings. Remarkably, they're in the main. I think a few of them are going to be a bit dodgy, because some of them are sort of... I am watering them today, now that that freezing weather is completely over. But this is... I've got the other Taunton Dean in here. You can look at the difference. Ooh, in size. Oh, I mean, wow. Incredible, though. I'm going to plant that right now, so that I can water it. I know, Rosie. Well, that's really good. I've got a couple of rosemaries I need to bring next time as well. Well, that's in. Fantastic. Just going to water them. The water is all shed water, so it's at the same temperature as the shed, aka Carol Longmore. Great tip. I mean, now that the freezing weather's gone, it's sort of okay, I suppose, but everything needs a water, because it's been quite a while. Oh, poor baby Rosie. Ooh. Hey, right, that's them. Okay, I won't water them for a little while, so I won't worry about getting water today. I'll do that another day, because I think it will send Rosie a little bit, you know, she'll be a bit worried. So, I'm going to put a bit of cat food in here. Foxes, I don't mind, anything really. So just to see if that helps. What else have I got? Oh, what have I got here? Oh, a spoon. So just so I can take stuff home as well. I've got a lid to put on top, because I'm not going to use the whole can, just a little bit. Place it in front of where the camera's going. The camera's got to be the last thing I do really, because it Oh, the smell of cat food. Ugh. I think Rosie's going to go, what are you doing? I can smell that. My mealworm's in my car, but the car's at home. For next time, when I've got the car, I'll do that. I'm only leaving a little bit out. Just a small amount. See what happens. Put the lid on. It's all safe and secure. It's not going anywhere. Oh, that stinks. Right, I'm going to put this in position. I'll be back in a tick. Oh, the ball. I tried to get the ball out of the pond. It's frozen solid. Oh. So I'm going to put the camera there, the wildlife camera. I've slightly angled this just so people can't see the cameras in the way. And that's just so it's slightly out of sight of people as they walk past. I don't want them seeing what I'm doing, really. Although if they watch this, they might know. I can't get the ball out. Look, this is so thick. Wow. That is solid. Oh my God. Wow. Right. It's all quiet. I'm going to let Rosie off for a little bit. Let her have a little run around. She'll probably try. Now she knows the ball's there. But she's going to try. Oh no, Rosie, I'm sorry. Oh no, she's going to eat the cat food. I forgot about that. Right, leave it. What an idiot I am. Come here. Sit. I know, it's exciting stuff. Sit. That's my fault. I forgot completely about cat. That's that sieve memory, you know. Oh, right, well, I think we'll forget that then. I think we should carry on with our walk, yeah? Okay. Right, I'm going to put you down because I've got to get her off all this lead and get our coats back on. Put the camera up and head home via a walk. Yeah, so I just want to say thanks for watching. This is one of those quick visits. Me and Rosie say thanks for watching. And we're really looking forward to showing you the new garden and the house and the kitchen for those that are in the budget cooking channel, and the car, but the car won't be there straight away. We've got to kind of get someone to come and, it's a non-runner, but get it to the house and into the garage, hopefully, if we can fit it in. You'll see why. I'll show you everything when we're there. Yeah, take care, everybody. See you on the next one. If I can come down here before we move, I will, but if I don't, it will be definitely the weekend after. Take care. Bye. You say bye, Rosie. She's a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, you are. Okay, we're going. Bye.